Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let's continue learning the chapter 10, and the question is here: a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So we are seeing a quadrilateral is the sides of quadrilateral are touching the circle. These are the points of contact. Then the point of contact are shown here: P, Q, R and S. What we have to prove? AB side is this, plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So what type of quadrilateral we don't know, it may be any type of quadrilateral. If the quadrilateral side are touching the circle, then it will happen in that. We have to prove theoretically how, not that we will take a scale and measuring and then we will prove. So theoretically we have to prove. Let us start. We go first, what we know from external point, if tangent is drawn to a circle, tangents are drawn to the circle, they are equal in length. You may be knowing that property. That is important question also, sometime it comes in proof. Prove that tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. So here we will not prove that, but we will use it. So A is external point, so AS will be equal to AP. B is external point, so BP will be equal to BQ and so on like that. So we will start. We know that tangents drawn from an external point, tangents drawn from an external point, we need to write from an external point to a circle are equal in length. So this property we know. Once this property is in mind, then only we can do this work. So point A is external point, AS and AP will be equal. So we can write AP is equal to AS. Then B is external point, BP is equal to BQ. We will write that also. Then C is external point, CQ is equal to CR. Geometry solution is actually hiding in the figure. We will know the properties and all, and then we will take out one after another and we will write down that is the solution in geometry. D is the external point, DR is equal to DS. Okay, this all we know. Now what we have to prove? AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So let us start from any one, AB plus CD. We are starting from LHS over, from one side. AB, now look at the figure. RHS, it will come by itself. Come by itself means we have to do the work, otherwise it will not come by itself. Now we will look at AB and CD in the figure. This is AB. Clearly we are seeing AP and PB, two parts are there. So AB is equal to AP plus BP. Then we look at CD. CD is here. It has DR and DC plus DC. Then we will see what we have to prove. We have to prove these two sides will be equal. So now from these four, how we will reach in these two sides? Figure and that we have to keep connecting. AP, from AP we can come to AS because they are equal. So we will change AP into AS. Next is BP. BP is this, but we have to come to this side. BP is equal to BQ. We will use that. BP is equal to BQ. Reason all we have already written in the beginning. Plus DR. DR is where? DR is here only. We have to come where? This side. In this side we have to come. We have to prove this plus this is equal. So from dr we will write dr is equal to ds. So we wrote ds. Then next is what? C, no dc, that is AB dr plus rc will be this. It is CD is dr plus rc. Okay. So now we are in rc, we have to come to this side. So this is equal CQ. So we have changed AP, BP, dr and rc accordingly to come to these two sides. Now what we see, these two side has two part. What are that part? AS and DS, they are there, AS and DS. So we will bring it together, AS plus DS. Another one, BQ and CQ, they are there, plus BQ plus CQ. And when we see this part in figure, it gives us the full side, AS plus DS is equal to AD. And BQ plus CQ give us this full side BC. Now look at, we started the work from LHS AB plus CD and we reached RHS AD plus BC. That means this LHS RHS are equal. We started the work from one side and reached to another side. So we can write here RHS. Proved. Hope you have understood. Now after this question, some questions are there in your what is that, syllabus. That questions are of 5 marks. I will be bringing those questions with full explanation in next videos. See you.